Hey, Amanda, thanks for jumping on.
Hey, Dan.
So I saw this post flyby on social media from an app developer. They made a single change to their paywall and saw a 17% conversion improvement. And that single change was to add the first name to the paywall to the title text.
Okay.
So with such a great result, I just wanted to invite you on to show others how they could accomplish this on their paywall.
Sure. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm here in the Nami Paywall Builder on one of our pre-built templates, and I'm going to add in that first name. So we can do that really easily by going over to the Capabilities tab. And these have lots of options to, add additional functionality to your paywall. And if I scroll down here to Personalization tokens, I'm going to click Add. And that allows us to pull in information like the first name and show it on the paywall. So I'm going to click up here to set the personalization token that we want. So in this case, we're going to call it first name, and we'll change that to, as an example, that'll be Dan. And we'll preview it with Dan, and then we'll take that first name token that we just created and put it in the title text. So all we have to do is click on the title text and go over to the content. And instead of ready to get moving, we're going to say ready to get moving first name. And that's it. That's as simple as it is. And we can put it, it'll use whatever value for the first name that you send in. But there you go, 17% conversion improvement.
That's awesome. Well, thanks for sharing. I thought it was going to be more work than that, but
Nope.
that's really simple. So thanks a lot.
Yeah, no problem.